Welcome back, PlayBASIC coders. Very quick refresh. We're looking at some extensions to the intersection libraries for two-dimensional vectors. So a lot of the standard kind of stuff we're doing. Can circles overlap? Yeah. Line intersects a circle. Array intersects a circle, which is an infinite thing. We can do batches of this. So a little circle showing the closest one. We've got a couple of different, these functions have like two different versions of the functions. There's like a version to return the nearest intersector that you keep calling until you find the nearest one, and then you compute the value of the normal from there. Radial box. Yep, radial lots of boxes. Same thing, it's returning the nearest int collider. All the boxes are overlapping each other, fair enough. Next test, a couple of rectangles. Do they overlap? Then we've got array to line segments. Same deal. We're running through all of the lines. Randomize it again. Next test, we're doing, this is pretty much what a raycaster does actually. So it's setting out, I think it's doing like 360 ray intersections against this set of line fragments, and then showing up the intersection points with a small circle or whatever. And that's the end of the 2D stuff. So that's the old raycaster stuff, by the way. There you go. That's all I've got to say. Alright dudes, I'll if I don't see you before New Year's Eve, don't worry, it's coming. Have a good one, enjoy your New Year's, have a good break, and I'll see you next year. Bye.